We got eggs, and more eggs. Yesterday, I worked about 14 hours outside. Then I came in and worked about another 5 hours inside. Around 3 this morning, I was fixing to put the new eggs in the incubator after removing the eggs out of the hatchery. And I dropped 46 eggs. Broke them. Almost every one of them. I'm so sick this morning. So here's your key. Don't burn at both ends, or eventually something will have to pay for your mistakes. So now I got breakfast instead of living, breathing exotic animals. God bless you. Peace.